What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the What's Up Tank Washington Show. What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. To my loyal followers, as always, thank you all for sticking it out with me. To my new followers, I say welcome. I'm glad to have you. And if this is your first time on the channel, I hope you like what you see. And if you do, don't forget to like, share, most of all, hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing of the Arken Optics EP5 5-25 by 56 first focal plane rifle scope. I ordered this scope near the end of last year, mainly because I had a coupon code. But I really do like these optics, and I have a rifle that I'm turning into a competition rifle that kind of needs one, so what the heck? You only live once, right? So getting to it, this time around, Arken actually had a coupon code on their site that took $170 off any scope that you ordered with their precision combo pack. So there are a few extra goodies in this box. There was also a 4 to 6 week lead time, but I wasn't stressing because it took a lot longer to get my SH4 Gen 2, but it was worth the wait. So what's in the box? We've got the Arken EP5, of course. Set this to the side. It also came with a set of Arken's Flip-Its lens caps. Next up, we have the precision pack, but we're going to come back to this. And lastly, Arken's rigid precision scope mount. Make some room. Okay, real quick about these lens caps, the Flip-Its. I genuinely do like these caps. They're a bit tough to get on, but they are really nice caps. All right, getting back to the precision pack. Let's check out what you get inside. If I can get my giant hands in the bag to get something out. Okay, we have a small rear bag. Okay. Very nice bag, has the Arken Optics logo on it. Made out of a very nice nylon material. Feels good in the hand. It seems to be really well made. I have to get me some light filler. Try it out a little later. Give you my thoughts on it. Pretty nice. Next up, we have Arken's bubble level. Now, I've never actually used one of these on a rifle, so should be pretty interesting. Next up is Arken's throw lever. Now, this part I actually like. It's probably my favorite part of the entire precision pack. Having a little extra leverage always helps out. It also comes with a very nice rugged precision Arken Optics Velcro patch. And lastly, it comes with a CR2032 lithium battery for the illuminated reticle in the optic. Taking a closer look at the rigid precision mount, here we have the tool for mounting the mount on your rifle. The mount is a one-piece cantilever mount with 3 screws to secure it to your rifle rail system. It also has 20 MOA built into its construction. It has 34mm rings that's secured by 8 screws. After filming, I realized that one of the screws in the scope rings was actually missing, so I contacted Arken and they sent me a replacement set. No issue at all. Getting into the EP5 box, you can see that it comes well packaged with plenty of foam. I'm actually glad of that because, as you can see from that wrinkle on the corner of the box, it looked like it got dropped. In the box, there's a large Arken optic sticker. You get a package that includes an Allen wrench for adjusting your zero stop. And you also get a very nice, very soft lens cloth for cleaning those lenses. There's also another smaller Arken optic sticker. And the EP5 owner's manual. As you can see, the EP5 comes with bikini style lens caps. Pretty decent. I like them. They've also included a sunshade. Again, the bikini style lens caps are good. They work perfectly. However, I'm definitely going to be switching to the flippets because I'd rather an option that I didn't have to completely remove every single time. And as I said, they've included a decent size sunshade. Now, this label that you see me removing right now, that is the factory recommended torque specs. And if you look at the label itself, you will see that from the factory, they recommend 18 inch-pounds of torque on those scope ring screws as not to damage the tube. The Arken EP5 is very well built. Like I said before, it is a 5 to 25 by 56 powered first focal plane scope. It dons a 34mm tube diameter and has a generous 3.4 inches of eye relief. It's available in mils and MOA. This one I bought in MOA. It has a quarter MOA adjustments and a zero stop system. Additionally, it has a side parallax adjustment ranging from 25 yards to infinity. As I mentioned earlier with the CR2032 battery, it also has a red illuminated reticle with six brightness adjustments and offsetting in between each level of brightness. To sweeten the pot even further, the lenses are made of Japanese ED glass for a crisp, clear sight picture when viewing through the optic. It weighs 39.2 ounces, is 14 inches in length, and is backed by a precision tracking guarantee and a no-nonsense lifetime warranty. You get all of this for $550, minus the cost of the precision pack, of course, unless you use the discount code that can be found on Arken Optics website. So, if you are in the market for a high quality optic that can hold its own against the big name brands, but at the same time won't break the bank, then check out the Arken Optics brand. Thank you for watching.